In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a flag in Infinite Craft. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually find water right here, as you can see. So find water and just insert it somewhere in here, as you can see. And then when you have done so, you're going to take water once again. And then you're going to just merge it right here so that you get lake, as you can see. Now when you do have lake, the next step is going to be for us to take fire. And we're just going to place it somewhere in here. And then you're actually going to take fire once again and place it here to merge it, so you get volcano, as you can see. So it's perfect. Now you have volcano, and then when you do have volcano, you're going to merge it with lake right here so that you actually get an island. And after that, this is going to be very funny actually. You need to find island once again, so you're going to search for island right here, and then you're going to merge island with island, as you can see. Sometimes, by the way, when you do so, it might for some reason load just quite a lot of seconds. So if you don't get continent, just wait a couple of more seconds until you get it. And now you should be able to get continent. Then you're going to find lake. So I'm just going to find lake right here. Perfect. As you can see, I get America right here. So what you can also do is to just take earth right here, as you can see. Now you get USA. So even more specific, maybe, I don't know, take fire, and then you get flag. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do this.